Hello guys, it's your guy Viera. Welcome back to my new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to be designing the VMS project 9. It's rather unfortunate that last week I had some issue with my software, so we were not able actually to post a video for the generation of the M&G code required for VMS project 8. But in the further weeks a video is going to be posted for that tutorial. So advancing with designing VMS project 9. So same conception of applying revolve command. You want to make sure that you consider this cross section B, making sure that the inner or the groove diameter should be as indicated and the external diameter equally. For the thread, you want to look at this table to obtain the thread specification. Making sure you are working with inches, sketch, front view, line command, smart dimension, this length 1.005. Over here we have 0.475. Line command, I go straight, I incline, I come back to the original position and I do an arc, a semicircle. I go straight, downward, straight. Now, I'm going to take line command, come to this semicircle, make sure the line is straight, construction. You want to select this point, hold control, select this other point, and then this line, symmetry. Next thing, I will select this line, hold control, select this other line, and make equal relationship. Smart dimension. As per the drawing, the distance from the center line or construction line to the origin, it's actually 0.25. The distance from this line to the origin is 0.05. We got a radius of 0.25 divided by 2. Oh, fine. The length from this point to the origin, 1.205, with a diameter of 0.55 divided by 2. Line command, I'm just gonna go downward, straight this way, and then I just close the curve. Now, looking at section B or detail B, you notice that the diameter groove, it's actually 0.3 divided by 2, and the thread height, it's actually 0.498 divided by 2. From this thread to the origin, we got a distance of 1.205. So this distance is actually 1.14. Sorry for that mistake. Now we are fully defined. We got some fillets, so fillet command. We got fillet of 0.02 at this particular location and at this location. Go for the OK. Fillet of 0.015 at this edge, 2 fillets. OK. 0.016 at this edge. Feature, stop catch, revolve axe, this axe. Okay. So at this timing point I want to save my project. VMS project 9 CAD. Okay, looking at the drawing, we got chamfer of 0.303 at 45 degrees, 2 chamfers. This hole. Now, all threads are going to be done when we are generating the M&G code. However, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do this internal thread, but the external thread I'm going to leave it for the generation of the M&G code. So we are going to put this chamfers, and then we are going to make the hole. Looking at the hole specification, we got 0.313 with an angle of 140 degree with an extrusion of 0.6. First thing, chamfer 0.035. Full preview, this edge and this edge. Go for the green check. Hole wizard, simple hole, auxiliary size. Using 3 divided by 8, which gives about 0.375. I'm going to use show custom sizing 0.313, the exact hole. Blind with an angle of 140 and an extrusion of 0.6. I'm going to untick this position, I'm going to select the origin. Go for the OK. Portrait, just come under hole wizard, thread. Looking upon the specification of our internal thread, we got 3/8 with a tape per inch of 16, and we are using unified thread system with a thread extrusion of 0.32. So thread location, this location. Now blind, the thread depth is actually 0.320. Using inch tap, the size 3/816. So this is 16. Right hand thread, we go for the green check. The hole has been done, however we have this cut art. So in order to remove this cut art, what you want to do is edit operation, activate offset. I'm going to take a number, a preference, any number you wish. Let's say 0.2. Okay, I'm going to reverse my offset. So right now the thread goes outside the path. So I will come to this value. I'm going to make an addition, a plus sign of 0.2. Since I took an offset of 0.2, I compensate for the offset. Go for the green check. Boom, the drill has been properly done. The last thing I can see on my drawing is about the material. So just come over here, material, edit material, 6061 TS aluminum, apply and exit. So pretty good project. With this, we are done with VMS project 9. If you have any question regarding this project, do well to contact us by Facebook or by email, or even leaving a comment in the commenting box. In the next tutorial, we are going to be generating the M&G code required for VMS project 9. Keep liking the video, keep sharing, keep commenting. Thanks a lot guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.